Final presentation by Colin Campbell
and Joe Steeman.
Our group design project this summer was to develop a state-of-the-art packaging system, a primary package, and a point-of-purchase display that holds this light bulb, the world's most advanced light bulb. The company that we're designing these packages for is Nth Degree, and they design printed electronics, and they needed a package to secure their light bulb and make it stand out from the rest. So our goal was to create a one-of-a-kind package with a locking mechanism that resembled a light switch. Our inspiration for our primary package came from this Niagara light bulb box. We really liked the green gradient and the greens that they had going on in the package. We liked the imagery of nature and leaves running on the bottom border, and we liked how it showed a lot of images of light bulbs on the box. And this is a light switch was the inspiration for our locking or closing mechanism for the package. When we started, this was our initial die line, and it was a six-sided package. It was really complex and it wasn't really stable enough. And this is the 3D view. So we decided to scratch this, and we went back to the drawing board, and we came up with a more simplified rectangular package. But we made sure to keep our light switch locking mechanism, which we liked.
Okay, and as you can see on the far right is our first attempt at the graphics, and we used like a green gradient. We used the image of the Nth Degree light bulb and the Nth Degree logo, but we didn't really like it because from just looking at the front of it, you couldn't tell what you were buying. I mean, it was obviously Nth Degree, but I mean, you couldn't tell what was inside, and you couldn't really see the light bulb on the side. So we did a redesign, and this is what we came up with. So we put a light bulb around the Nth Degree logo, so it really showed like, oh, I'm buying a light bulb. And we extended the branding to put the Nth Degree logo on top, and we put the world light bulb on the side, and we put a stem on it to make it, look like, oh, this is a growing brand new idea that's gonna save the world. And this is just kind of a 3D rendering of the final light bulb and what it will look like. And this is for mass production. This is what the die line looks like when it's nested on a 6-foot roll, and it's 25 inches tall. And then we decided to go to tops, and we arranged it so that 6 primaries would fit per shipping box, and 200 shipping boxes fit on a pallet, which gives you 1,200 bulbs per pallet, and that gave us a 94.7 efficiency for the area and a cubic efficiency of 85.3%. So now we move on to our POP, which was inspired by the Nth Degree light bulb, and that kind of gave us the shape. As far as the graphics goes, we wanted to kind of keep with our primary package, keep like the growing and nature theme, and so that's just kind of how we came up with the greens and the blues that we used for our POP. This is our POP broken down. It'll ship in a 24 by 28 by 3 package, and it already comes wired, so all you have to do is take it out, stand it up, and put primaries on it. And so now we're going to show you our final 3 videos. This first one is how our package comes off the POP and opens up and holds the light bulb. This next video shows how the box opens and closes, and shows our functioning light switch, how it wiggles up and down and uses it as a opening and locking mechanism. This final video shows the fully displayed POP, fully assembled, and how the primaries will fit on there and look in a store. And that's our final presentation.